opportunity, you know what I mean, to help your career to move forward, same way. You get to be a talk about, so we have to big up all of the sponsors them and everybody who make this possible right now. Alright, remember we have a special guest artist inside the building right now. We're just going straight into it right now. Fireplace Music, Zylan. Zylan, make your way to center stage. DJ Smoke, find that rhythm right now. Fireplace, Zylan in the building right now. 100% talent show. You don't know, perform for the people them. Zylan.
Steady. Big up to all contestants, you see me? 100% talent and one mud something. Zylan will represent Fireplace Music in our Portmore City. You see me, $1 million voice, everything alright. Watching an hero is the original. Big up the beautiful judges, the females, you know. Let's go make it run now, man. That one video out now. YouTube Zylan Control. It name Buck Tour. But the mama bang. Them know a dance all again. Original, watching an hero. They on the grind like we a must show. I run the ground hot like any Buck Tour. You see the dirty boys with them a bash show me. We think I grow. We think I grow. Think a little bit of seed, me less one prayer grow. Blessings a cover, we no live out a door. And this me want them and them followers know. We think I grow. We think I grow. Hey, a naturality come a judge a design we flow. And genuinely they not just a shine for show. And any face one get puffy like pro. Hey, sorry me dog, yeah, you need to pro. The liquor crush them we a big pyro. And we heart full of chicks like in a high-low. A raised up by glass, them a cry well. Real life freestyle, not G.I. Joe. Mr. Man, they are one thing I know. Now parasite can hold the vice law. So no shuffle buck inside now what? Hey. Alright, that's how we do it, so we do it, so we do it. Aye. That's how we do it, so we shot it like a bullet. That's how we do it, so we do it, so we do it. We paint them in a picture like a Picasso do it, boy. That's how we do it, so we do it, so we do it. That's how we do it, so we shot it like a bullet. So we do it, so we do it, so we do it. $1 million voice, level it. Hey, we no strap back dog, we no lock strap. Or else we think we sold no cash pot. Check it. Fireplace if you want your spot after. The girl them just love the hot spot. I hard man something again is in a pot. First in the mix up peanut in a that. Lock down like front door all night and a kiss a baby silent 9 months after that. So we do it, so we do it, so we do it. And so we do it, so we shot it like a bullet. And so we do it, so we do it, so we do it. We paint them in a picture like a Picasso do it, boy. And so we do it, so we do it, so we do it. And so we do it, so we shot it like. You want me show them say me a bad man? But the man, him run it back so me I say big up all God bless in our house. Me I do that one and cut. Control. All me know me protected by the Most High. So we things sets up on the road. We no care what them one shot say about I. Them can't stay they go on. Any road them want to think me hear them say about me. And no care me do the good nothing no say about it. Them one way put on we think for them go take out it. And them no know when walk around a man a set out it. But tell them so continue go on. Dog, we know what's on the thing. We know say this ambition and we box we down. If we not get what we forget. But tell them what, take a step in my shoes. Control.
Hey, this is Zylan Fireplace. Big up yourself. Hey, me I tell you the band music, them different tonight. They're excited. Alright, so that is the special guest artist.